Hello everybody, it's Mindy. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I hope you enjoy my content. This is a diamond painting unboxing, but I have other things and I have playlists like crochet and yarn videos. I do a crochet live on Friday afternoons. We're always working on a project. And on Tuesday nights, I do a book discussion with my friend Brandy from Mystery Diamonds. So peck around, check out those playlists and see if there's something there that interests you. Come back, see more videos. All right, so today I have paintings and things here from Fansells. So thank you, Fansells, for letting me pick out some items. And I will have them linked below so that you can go find them if they are of interest to you. I think I have some interesting things here. Little different. Okay, let's set this stuff aside and let's start with this item here, first of all. When I got this, when I opened up this package, I was like, what in the world is that? It's a cute little snowman, but what in the world did I order? What did I order? So let's get into it and we'll show you. I forgot. You know, sometimes I forget the things I order until they show up at the doorstep or in the mailbox. And I'm like, oh yeah, I remember that. I'm going to keep that bag so I can put it back in there. All right, so this is, let's take everything out of the inside first of all. So it's like waterproof kind of inside, and it's pockets. See the pockets? There's a pocket here and a pocket here with like this mesh. There's a pocket there, and then of course this larger pocket, and it does open up like this. It is a, oh, there's more pockets. There's one on the side here and one on the side over here. It's a little bag to hang. Now, I think you put this through your headrest on the back of your car. Like, you know, you can take your headrest out and you can put this through there. And then this will hang. I don't know how it works. It's not going to close. Yeah, it's not going to close. But I think this is just meant to hang on the back of a car and give, like, your kids in the back seat a pouch to put things in, toys, things like that. I think it's super cute. You can use this however you like. You can find other uses for this if you'd like. You got these two grommets here to put something through if you wanted to hang it on something else, you could do that. But it's a cute little pouch, and it's got this cute, adorable little snowman on it. Not a lot to drill on this, but there's enough. I mean, we got drills over here and up the tree there. So we got enough to diamond paint there. You know, like I said, you never know till you know. Sometimes you just go and you got to try something. You see something new and you're like, let's give it a go and see what we think. So I have a little trash bag like that that hangs off the back of one of my headrests. Oh, here's some special drills. Some big orange, a little faceted. I don't know what colors are. Maybe clear or green. These look clear. I don't know. They look a little green tinged, if you ask me. What else do we have? We've got some white, some green rhinestones, blue, reddish, orange. That's just dark, like almost black. Brown, darker brown. Nice. Nice. I think it's pretty cute. Give it to a kid. They'll find something to do with it. Right? Give it to a kid. That's always my answer. Kids like all this stuff. I mean, I would hang that in my car, maybe, if I could figure out how to put it in there properly. It would seem like it should have like some sort of, you know, I'm feeling to see if there's any straps or anything like that, but no straps or anything to go in there. No little clasps. You could always buy like a bag strap, you know what I'm saying? Get a bag strap and get those pretty cheap and hook those in here, the little clasps. And anyhow, it is what it is. Okay, let's set that aside. Let's look at this one next. I'll show you this next. I've got toolkits everywhere. Little toolkits everywhere. This one you're gonna laugh at. When I opened this up, I was like, wait, I got a full drill diamond painting? Wait, I don't usually get full drill diamond paintings anymore. But I did this one. And when I saw it, I was like, I've looked and looked and looked for a painting with this on it. Because there's a story. When we moved into this house, we redid everything. We painted everything. We took off wallpaper, borders, all kinds of stuff in this house. We got to the bathroom, the upstairs bathroom here, and I wanted to take off the border that's in there. It's bordered very nice. It's got wood strips on both sides and this nice little border. It's outhouses. I wanted to take it off. I wanted to take it off. Dale loved it. He loved the outhouse wallpaper trim, and he wanted to keep it. So I was like, okay. So we kept the outhouse wallpaper border. And then one year, my mom gave him for his birthday a picture of outhouses that's over the toilet. So I've often thought, well, just embrace it. Maybe I could find a diamond painting to put in there of outhouses. And I did. Why do I have so many drills here? What do these all go to? Something goes to something else. Or I'm missing a painting. Oh, this goes to something else. That goes to something else. I know what that goes to. That's a different order. There's my outhouses, right? So when I saw this, I was like, I've looked and I've looked. There was even a time when I was looking just at like free image sites, looking for an outhouse that I could have done as a custom. Well, somebody did it for me finally. It's got a legend on both sides. It's a 40 by 40. Isn't it cute though? I mean, it's cute. Okay. My mom loved the outhouse thing. She is big into outhouses. They have an outhouse out by their pond. It's like a little tool shed, right? So it's been a big joke. I think like all the grandkids, even my brother, have had pictures taken like playing in the outhouse. It's decorative. It's only decorative, seriously. But this is what it is, folks. We got us an outhouse painting. And it comes with the drills in baggies like this. Got some pretty blues and greens. They are in order. I'm trying to keep them in order. Greens and blues, rusty color, brown, golds, greens, more blues. Okay? You can see flowers all over it, Okay. I should do it sometime and give it to Dale as a present, like for his birthday or something, right? Here, honey, look what I made you for your special bathroom. Now, does he ever use that bathroom? Hardly ever. Hardly ever does he even go in that bathroom at all. But the grandkids do all the time. That's the bathroom they will use. I go in there quite often. I mean, sometimes he's in our bathroom, so I'll use that one. It doesn't usually work the other way around, though. He doesn't usually go in that one while I'm in ours. Anyhow, it is what it is. So, here we go. All right. Things that come in boxes, things that come in boxes. I appreciate the foam. I do appreciate the foam. They've started putting that in there a lot more often. I think it does help with some breakage. Like I could see this breaking quite easily. I did take this out of the box already to make sure that this didn't break because it's got just a small little place where it's attached here. And that's where these acrylic pieces will break, is when there's just a fine little connecting piece there. So that's the back of it. It does have a film on it, so it will be prettier than this. The front side's peeling. I don't know why the front is peeling, but it will be prettier when you peel this, as I'm trying to peel it, and it's going, no. See, it's just shiny. It's much prettier when you take the film off. This is peeling because there's nothing for it to stick to because there's no glue down here. No glue down there. But look at how pretty it is. It's just like a moon, a crescent moon with an ornament hanging out of it, a bunch of pine boughs, pine cones, pretty colors, blues. I thought this was really pretty. Where's his still? Here he is. I'm like, where's his? That's interesting. I don't think I've ever gotten the stand in the bag of drills before like that. They're normally just loose in the box. Well, that's different. I was beginning to wonder. I didn't think I had one. But I do. Sometimes these things don't always Oh, this has got its plastic in the middle still. Like, doo. Sometimes they don't fit perfectly. I have one right now that is not tight enough. So I think I'm just going to glue it because it wants to, like, this one's good. The one I have right now, it leans like that. I think I'm just going to get some glue and glue it in there. And I think it also sticks out too far on the bottom, which is causing it another issue. So I'm just going to make it flat, glue it, call it good. So sometimes you got to play with them a little bit, but that's super pretty. These colors are going to be gorgeous. Ooh, that is really pretty. Oh, look. Okay, so they've really done it up. This is in another package. We got packages and packages and more packages here. I'll probably get rid of this package. I don't need that. Yeah, I don't need that. Put my drills back in here. We'll call it good. Okay. Not very many drills for this. We got a clear. We got this beautiful teal. Now, I would not have expected it to be teal. I would have expected it to be more of a royal blue, but it's teal. So everything on here is going to be clear or teal. Like, here's the clear, and the branches are teal. Okay. And then here's our special drills. Pearls, iridescent, marquise, and look at those. Pretty. Yeah, the color surprised me on that. I was not expecting a teal. Anyhow, there we have it, folks. We have our pretty little ornament, our outhouse, and then this. We got to figure this out. How do we actually hang this thing up somewhere? How do you hang that? I don't know. I don't think there was anything else in the bag. No, there was nothing else in the bag. That was it. Okay. All right. That's what we got, folks. That's what we got. Thank you, Fansells. And like I said earlier, do all those YouTubey things. It really helps. Like button, subscribe, all those fun things. Helps out a creator immensely. All right? Okay. I'm done now. Thanks for watching, everybody. And I'll see you soon. I'll let you know what Dale thinks about the outhouse. Or should I keep it a secret? Maybe I'll just hide it away. Keep it a secret. I'll keep it a secret. Okay. All right. Bye.